Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you will be fine and enjoying good health. Today's our topic is letter writing. Today we will learn how to write the letter and what are its part. And we will also do an activity of page 7. Outline of the letter. Write a letter. If we have a question, write a letter. What are the contents should be of the letter. Examination hall. First we have to write on the left side examination hall. Then CTABC. Date when the letter is being written. If we are writing a letter to a person, we can also have to write the name or their relation with here. Dear Aliza, Hadia, dear sir, dear brother, dear teacher, dear officer. Okay, then move. Next part is beginning sentences. When we have to talk to a person, we have to talk to that person in a very good way, so should be very careful for writing these sentences. Then is the letter body. Letter body is about the main body, and that is about the content, that is about the topic of the letter. Ending sentences. Ending sentences contains good wishes for and about the responses that you want to get from that person. And ending phrases. In ending phrases we normally write yours affectionately, yours loving, your sister, your well-wisher, your elder sister. If you are writing a letter to your sister, if you are writing a letter to your brother, then you can write your brother, your loving brother. If you are writing a letter to your friend, then you can write accordingly, and so on. At the end you will write XYZ, not your name. These are the letter contents, that pattern that you have to use for writing a letter in the exam. Okay, next move. Okay, here is a question on page number 7. Write a letter to your younger brother. Suggest him some tips to prepare well for his exam. We also have the word bank. Early in the morning, sleep early, work hard, play cartoons, waste time, revise. These are the words that we can use in our letter writing part. First, examination hall. Here we can see that examination hall, CTABC, today's date is June 6. Dear Ali, if we are writing a letter to our brother, then we can write the name of that person. Then we can also write the dear brother. If we write a name, then after that we have to add the comma, like the dear Ali. Beginning sentences. In the beginning sentences we can use different sentences, but here I mentioned a few sentences that you can utilize here, जिसको आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. सबसे पहले एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, CTABC, जून 6. जिस दिन आप लेटर लिखने हैं उस दिन की डेट लिखनी है. डियर ब्रदर, आपका भाई का जो भी नाम है, देन आपने वो मेंशन करना है. देन आपके बिगिनिंग सेंटेंसेस, ये अपनी हेडिंग नहीं लिखनी. होप यू विल बी फाइन, you will be happy to know that everyone is all right at home. Okay, then you can start your discussion as you know that. Okay, second part. Today I received your letter and became happy to know that you are enjoying good health. Hope you will be in good health. These are the different way in which we can write the beginning of the sentences. Okay, if we have the right, these are the same. Examination hall, CTABC, date when the letter is being, as I mentioned in the here, June 6, 2020. Okay, here is the date when the letter is being, जिस दिन आपने लेटर लिखना है, ये सेम ही है, बट आपने क्या करना है, इसको प्रॉपरली लिखना है. Main body. Next part is main body. Your exams are going to start from next Monday. You always perform well in the exams. Now I am sharing some important tips for preparing in the exam. Dear students, we have to use this word bank for writing this part. This is the main body. Your exams are going to start from next Monday. You always perform well in the exams. Now I am sharing some important tips for preparing in the exam. आप इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं. You should get up early in the morning. Yes. You should sleep early at night. इसका मतलब है कि जब आप जल्दी सोएंगे तो आप सुबह जल्दी उठ सकते हैं. अगर आप लेट सोएंगे तो आपकी जल्दी आँख नहीं खुलेगी. Then weekend. You should work hard. Work hard, yes, you should work hard and learn your lessons properly. You should also play games for some time. इसका मतलब है कि आपने ज़्यादा देर तक के नहीं, अगर आपने खेलना तो कुछ देर के लिए खेल सकते हैं. प्ले कार्टून, अगर आप कार्टून देखते हैं या कोई प्रोग्राम देखते हैं, यू कैन वॉच इट फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स. लेकिन ये नहीं कि इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप सारा दिन देखते रहें. ओके, नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज़ वेस्ट टाइम. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. Revise your lessons daily and practice the test regularly. Okay, next part. आपने इसको क्या करना है, आप अकॉर्डिंगली इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आप इसमें ऐड भी कर सकते हैं ताकि आपका लेटर ज़्यादा अच्छा हो सके. एंडिंग सेंटेंसेस, इसमें से कुछ एंडिंग सेंटेंसेस है जो आपने अकॉर्डिंगली यूज़ करने हैं. आई विल राइट यू सून. With best wishes, I shall pray for your success. Awaiting for your success. Hope you will top in the exam. I hope that you will get top position. I hope to see you the best performer in the exams. Yours affectionately, your loving, your sister. You can use these one of them. लेकिन सबके लास्ट में क्या है, कामा यूज़ करना है आपने. एट द एंड आपने क्या करना है, XYZ यूज़ करना है. इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लेटर हमने क्या यूज़ किया था, ABC, CTBC. यहाँ पर हमने XYZ यूज़ करना है. Dear students, try your best, and these are the some hints for your help. And take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.